Welcome to this explainer. Look, let's be honest for a second. How much time do we all spend just mindlessly scrolling on our phones every single day? Well, today we are diving into a platform called JumpTask. They're basically promising to take those wasted minutes and turn them into a legit side hustle. But is it actually a real opportunity or just another digital mirage? We're going to break down exactly how it works, what the real earning potential looks like, and dive into a massive recent update to see what's what. Let's get into it. 16.5 million. That is the sheer number of people who have already downloaded this app to try and monetize their downtime. To put that massive number into perspective, JumpTask has a global user base interacting with roughly 3,000 different brands every single day. So, we're not talking about some tiny fly-by-night operation here. This is a sprawling Web3 ecosystem. And this really captures their whole vibe, their pitch.
Because your spare time is worth more than you think. Whether you are stuck on your daily commute, waiting in line for coffee, or just halfway ignoring some boring TV show on the couch, they claim you can turn that totally empty time into real cash. We're talking up to $100 a month or maybe even more. But how on earth do you actually pull that off? Let's look at Section 1, turning downtime into income.
So peeking under the hood, here are your main ways to actually earn. Now, you can absolutely take the active route, right? Playing targeted games, filling out surveys, or labeling data for AI training. But the real, undeniable superstar here is the passive income via Honeygain. Reviewers universally rave about this as the absolute best option on the board. You literally just share your unused internet bandwidth running in the background. If you toggle on JumpTask mode inside the Honeygain app, boom, you get a sweet 10% bonus for doing absolutely nothing. It's kind of a no-brainer. Now, if you do decide to roll up your sleeves and go the active route, you're going to face two distinct paths. First, you've got quick access tasks. These are super simple. You click a partner link, do the quick action, and get paid. But then you have the offer wall tasks. These guys are strict. You have to follow detailed step-by-step instructions to the letter. If you miss even a single step on an offer wall, you risk violating their terms and you could lose the reward entirely. So definitely read carefully. Oh, and speaking of those offer walls, keep the number 72 in mind. 72 hours. That is how long it can sometimes take for a reward to actually process and show up in your account after you finish one of those tasks. It is almost never instant. Knowing about this little 3-day waiting window right up front is absolutely going to save you a ton of frantic refreshing and frustration later on. Okay, moving on to Section 2, the big 2026 update. This brings us to a really massive platform-altering update that literally just rolled out on August 10th, 2026. If you've used JumpTask in the past, pay very close attention here. Before August 10th, payouts were exclusively in their native crypto token, JMPT. That meant your balance was totally at the mercy of the wild crypto market. One day you're way up, the next day you're down. But post-August 10th, they completely ditched that roller coaster in favor of highly stable JumpTask credits. Here is the exact, beautiful math for those new credits. 1,000 credits equals exactly $1. Period. Done. The rate is fixed. What you earn is exactly what you keep. It completely removes all that stress and guesswork of waking up to a sudden crypto market swing. But hey, major warning here if you are a veteran user still holding on to that old currency. JumpTask is officially pulling JMPT liquidity on September 10th, 2026. They are aggressively phasing that token right off the decentralized exchanges. So if you don't trade or cash out your old JMPT before that strict deadline, you might end up stuck holding a worthless digital ghost. Do not let that happen. All right, let's talk about Section 3, cashing out your rewards. So you've got these shiny new stable credits, but how do you actually get your real-world money? Well, the new pipeline is actually super accessible. Step 1, just hit the minimum threshold. It's $1 single for your very first payout, and then it drops down to just 50 cents after that. Super easy. Step 2, pick your reward. And Step 3, don't let this catch you off guard, okay? You will be redirected to a partner site called redeem.gifcq.com to actually process the cash out. And honestly, thanks to that new GIFQ partnership, you are not boxed into just crypto anymore. The options really opened up. You can route your cash straight to PayPal, Revolut, or do a direct bank transfer. You can even grab retail gift cards for places like Amazon, Steam, or Netflix. One super vital housekeeping note, though. Because this new system runs on email verification, if you previously set up your account logging in with just a Web3 wallet, you absolutely must link an email address or a social account to be able to cash out now. Which brings us to the most important question in Section 4. Is it worth your time? To really answer this, we went out and pulled objective reviews from Side Hustle Nation, plus real user feedback straight from the Google Play Store. And the reality? It's pretty balanced. On the pro side, it's totally free, it's very beginner-friendly, and that passive Honeygain integration we talked about, people absolutely love it. But the cons are definitely real. The active tasks, they pay literal pennies. Even worse, reviewers confirm some serious frustration around tracking bugs. I mean, imagine spending 10 minutes on a task only for an error to completely wipe out your credit. Add in some occasional 2-week payout delays, and honestly, the active side of this app requires a whole lot of patience.
Just to give you some context, let's look at how it actually stacks up against the competition. A platform like FreeCash absolutely dominates if you're looking to play games, claiming you can hit up to $17 a day. Cointably, they're fantastic for surveys, averaging around $30 a month. JumpTask, on the other hand, is kind of a jack of all trades. Its true superpower is definitely that passive set-it-and-forget-it background earning, rather than an active daily grind. Which brings us to our final thought for this explainer. With the shift to stable credits and those super easy passive options, JumpTask has certainly evolved into something much more reliable. But given the low-paying and sometimes buggy active tasks, you really have to ask yourself, is your daily commute actually ready to be monetized, or is your downtime strictly off the clock? That is the ultimate side hustle dilemma right there. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and we will see you next time.